So friend, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Pro is also getting a battery upgrade. It's not just the S26 Edge. As you may have heard, the vanilla Galaxy S model is going away, and that is great news because it will be replaced by a more capable Pro model. What improvements can we expect? A larger battery? For starters, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Pro will reportedly have a battery with 4300 mAh typical capacity, that would be 300 mAh more than the S25 and S24 and 400 mAh more than the S23, and the S26 Pro is codenamed M1 and will have a model number SM-S942, and we have heard that 50 megapixel ISOCELL GN3 sensor will be replaced, and it was used in the S23, S24 and S25, but this may not bring a resolution upgrade. The ISOCELL GN5, for example, is a 50 megapixel 1 by 1.56 inch sensor and not too different from the GN3. However, the GN5 has improved autofocus performance and it introduced front deep trench isolation to dual pixel sensor. Sensor upgrades are not all about resolution, as previously reported. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge will also get a battery bump to 4200 mAh typical capacity and 300 mAh more than the S25 Edge, and it will be even thinner than the current 5.8mm model, and you can't help but wonder whether these new batteries will be paired with a charging speed upgrade. We have heard that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will finally go above 45 watt and all the way up to 60 watt. However, this may or may not come with a capacity upgrade. Some sources claim a 10% bump to 5500 mAh and others say it will stay at 5000 mAh, and we haven't heard anything about a charging upgrade to the S26 Pro and S26 Edge, and given their battery capacities around the same as the G Flip 7 4300 mAh and G Fold 7 4400 mAh, both of which are capped at 25 watt, and we don't expect anything to change. We wouldn't mind being surprising though. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.